All right, we're back on the record in 2020 CR 3565, State of Texas versus Andres Menchaca for the state.
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense.
For Mr. Menchaca, Jeffrey Martinez, Your Honor.
All right. And you're Mr. Menchaca.
Yes.
All right. This is the motion to revoke. The court found violation of 5, 5, 1, 1, and 5 true. And I believe there was a proposed agreement.
There is, Your Honor. We are asking that you sentence the defendant to 4 years in the prison, concurrent with.
This case starts calm, almost routine, but don't let that fool you. A motion to revoke means the court already believes the line has been crossed. Probation is the last rope, and today that rope is fraying fast.
2024 CR 6544W, which is a felon in possession of a firearm charge. And the state is going to take into consideration night mag number NM 757746, which is the possession of a controlled substance, PG1, 1 gram to 4 grams.
All right. Is that the proposed agreement?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Menchaca, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, sir.
This is where things quietly fall apart. Restitution isn't paperwork. It represents harm to a real person. When that balance is still unpaid, judges don't hear excuses. They hear unfinished accountability.
All right. So that leaves a balance of $1,586. Is everyone in agreement with that, defense? State?
Yes, sir.
And the other thing, he was to provide a $500 donation to the food bank. I believe that was outside the agreement, and the court instead asked him to pay off his community service hours if he wanted to. So I'm not going to.
And just like that, 4 years. No yelling, no theatrics, just consequences. This is how real prison sentences usually happen. Not with chaos, but with calm certainty.
This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 6544W, taking consideration NIMAG number 757746. There's to be restitution of $1,586 to Valentin, VALENTIN Mendoza. And there's to be no contact with Valentin Mendoza. And I'll make that no in-person contact. And the reason why I say that, because money needs to be sent, and technically that is contact. So there's to be no in-person contact with Valentin Mendoza.
Here's the painful irony. The defendant completed programs. He did some of the work, but the justice system doesn't grade on effort. It grades on compliance. Partial progress doesn't erase repeated violations.
This case originated at 9/11/19, so this case was well before.
All right, the clerk is aware of my ruling, so. All right, we're going to go on the record in 2024 CR 6544W. All right, Mr. Menchaca, did you review the document entitled Waiver of Indictment, Reading of Information and Rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 under the Code of Criminal Procedure with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to have a grand jury make a decision on whether or not to indict this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand your attorney has 2 days from the presentation of the information and 10 days from the presentation of the information to prepare for trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering a plea under this cause number that you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment, reading of information, Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, we did. I did, Your Honor. Did receive it. We did review it. I did review it with her.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Menchaca, did you review the information with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the information?
We do.
State your proceeding on the information as presented.
Sorry.
Mr. Manchego, did you review court's admonishments and defendants' waivers and affidavit of recommendations? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with felon in possession of a firearm? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
I do.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, I do.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Menchaca, has anyone threatened, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
Mm,
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
mm.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I do.
According to the plea, punishments be assessed at 4 years in the prison. This will run concurrent with 2020 CR 3565. State will take in consideration night mag number 757746. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you cite it in both places?
Yes, ma'am. I do.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, ma'am.
State any evidence.
Your Honor, I offer State's Exhibit 1 and the attachments.
Your Honor, defense is not filed.
Did you review what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The suspect listed in the police report is Andrew Menchaca.
Yes.
Are you Andrew Menchaca?
Yes, I'm the Reverend Chapter. But
This moment feels small, but it's massive. Guilty. One word that legally closes the door on every alternative future he hoped for.
Court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Request that, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we would just ask to follow the agreement with the states. It took Mr. Menchaca a lot of thinking to make the agreements he had. I do think in seeing his demeanor change from the excuses he was saying at the beginning to having such a clean plea and easy afternoon.
Listen carefully to the defense here. Even they know this outcome was unavoidable. Sometimes the right decision still hurts, and this is one of those moments.
I think the wheels are turning. He knows he's going to need to make changes when he gets out. And this is, while it's not the best outcome, it's the right outcome.
All right. Court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2020 CR 3565. Take in consideration night mag number 757746. There's to be no contact with Mandy, Mandy, J. Delgado, and no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement. You waived your right to appeal. You do not have the court's permission to appeal.
This is where the judge stops being just a judge and speaks like a human being. At 51 years old, the math is brutal. More life is behind him than ahead. Prison doesn't pause time, it eats it.
You're getting to that point where there's going to be more of your life behind you than in front of you. You're gonna have to make a decision. Do you want to spend it at the prison
No,
or do you want to be out and about in the free world?
no, I'm done pretty well.
All right, good luck to you. You're gonna have to make better choices.
Thank you.
All right.